Hello, I'm Talkative. Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy English Stories. I'm Talkative and I am still single.
Oh, talkative. Still waiting for a miracle at the coffee machine?
Hey, don't laugh. Office romance is hard. One day, it's sweet. The next day, it's a spy movie. How about you, Olivia? I saw you smiling at your phone this morning. Is there a secret boss in your life?
Nice try. Talkative. But my life is boring. If you want real drama, you need to hear today's story.
Ooh, I love a good story. Who is the star today?
It's Emma. You know, our smart friend with the red hair and big glasses? She has a story with a strict boss, a snake colleague, and a very handsome man.
Sounds juicy. I'm ready. Emma, the floor is yours.
Hi, everyone. I am Emma. And today, I have a story. A real story. Not from a book, not from a movie. It's about love at work. Everyone, listen up. This is my own love story. Okay, so I work in a big office. Many people, many desks, many computers, and one very handsome man. His name is Alex. He is tall, he has beautiful brown hair, and his smile? Wow! My heart goes boom boom when he walks past my desk. But there is a problem. A big problem. His name is Mr. Brown. He is our boss. And Mr. Brown is strict. Very strict. Rule number 1, no dating in the office. No love. Only work. Work, work, and work. Mr. Brown thinks love is unprofessional. So, Alex and I, we have a secret love. We cannot hold hands. We cannot kiss. We cannot even say I love you in the hallway. It is so dramatic. Let me tell you about Tuesday. It was 10 a.m. I am at the coffee machine. Then Alex walks in. No one is there. Only Alex and me. My heart starts running. Alex gets close. He whispers, Emma, you look beautiful today. Oh, I am so happy. Then he gets closer. Is he going to kiss me? At the coffee machine? The excitement. But then, the door opens. It's Mr. Brown. We jump. I drop my coffee mug. Coffee is everywhere. On the floor, on my shoes, and on Alex's shirt. Oh no! Mr. Brown looks at the mess. He looks at me. He looks at Alex. His face goes red. What is going on here? He yells. I am sweating. My glasses are foggy. I have to think fast. Alex has a new shirt. I wanted to help him. With the color? No. With coffee? Mr. Brown is not a silly man. He gives us the look. Is our love stronger than Mr. Brown's rules? Will we get fired? Tell me your guesses in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for part 2. Thanks for watching. I'm Emma. See ya. Oh no. Emma is in big trouble. Poor Alex and his ruined shirt.
I think Mr. Brown is going to explode. Is Emma fired? Or is this just the start of the drama?
Don't miss the next part. If you love office secrets, like and subscribe now.
See you in part 2. Bye-bye.